Do missionaries truly feel God's guidance on their full-time missions? One evidence of God's restored church is the guidance of the Holy Ghost and the protection of his servants. What do you think happened on this missionary's mission?
Served in Uruguay. My first area, I remember walking into my apartment. It was pitch black. I remember turning on the lights and cockroaches were just hiding everywhere as the lights turned on. I feel like my anxiety picked up a lot. I cried every day. I was losing my hair. I was so worried about learning the language. One night specifically, it was freezing. We still had 2 hours left. It's pitch black. We still had to keep going, and I just remember feeling so defeated. We had to go up this huge hill. I just remember taking a step up, and I felt a little lighter, and then it was like a hand that was on my back, and then I felt another hand, and then I just kept walking, and I just felt like people were pushing me up this huge hill. And it was just, I don't know if it was angels or if it was Christ, but I knew at that moment, like, Christ knows I'm struggling and he knows how to send people to help me. But I remember writing in my journal and just thinking, like, thank you, I needed that extra push. I know you're here.